Hey everybody, just wanted to go over something that's made my life and uh, things around the house a lot easier, and that's setting up a rechargeable battery pack. Now a lot of our power tools and stuff have rechargeable batteries, but a lot of stuff in the house can use rechargeable batteries too. TV remotes, video game controllers, smoke detectors. I have stuff in here for my weapon lights and optics. So I got this case off of Amazon, and I also ordered a bunch of these batteries. You got to be careful on not everywhere will ship batteries to you. But this has tons of storage for bunch of different types of batteries. There's this top part, and then there's the back. Holds AA, AAA, watch batteries, CD, and it has a opens up like this. It has a battery tester, so you can see if they're good or not. Now, one thing you're going to have to look at that I didn't think of whenever I was initially getting this going, I was just buying rechargeable batteries, and if the batteries come with the charger, they should work together. Otherwise, the company who sent it to you is retarded. But if you're just buying packs of rechargeable batteries, you need to check and make sure that they are what type of rechargeable battery it is. So, for instance, these ones are... Good Lord, might have to get my glasses up. There's lithium ion and was it nickel? I don't know. I have two different types of rechargeable battery. So, and the chargers aren't interchangeable. Yeah, these are lithium ion. Is it nickel cadmium? I don't know, but if you charge them in the wrong charger, you could start a fire. So don't do that. Got little watch batteries, little batteries like this, little spot for them. So this thing's awesome. So instead of having a bunch of disposables and always throwing these suckers away, I have this, and now it is kind of expensive buying the rechargeable batteries, but once you have them, you just cycle through them to, smoke detector needs it, boom. TV remote, whatever. There's other things. What do I got? The hearing protection for the range uses them. Now, if you're using it for something that's real high performance, like a weapon light, some weapon light manufacturers don't recommend, or they just say don't use rechargeable batteries. And I have had some issues with like pistol weapon lights where the battery doesn't work right. So I do have some disposables that I use for those. But if I can use a rechargeable battery for it, I do. And I just add to it. I don't have a lot of use for C and D batteries, so I don't have any rechargeables of those. I have some disposables laying around, but yeah, super handy to have. The first case I got was a soft case that had foam in it. Now this has little teeny bits of foam for like the little watch batteries, but I like this hard case better. It organizes it better. I don't have to dig into the foam to get it out. These are, you can see the batteries are kind of exposed, so you can just grab them, go. Tons and tons of capacity. This sucker is nowhere near full, and yeah, works great. I just keep it up upstairs by my fridge, and everybody knows whenever there's battery goes dead in whatever, get it out of here, take the batteries, put them on the charger, which are by my computer at the office, and good to go. Get the right chargers though. Hope this helps. Thanks.